This black gunk is secretly choking your car's engine right now.
It starts here. Heat and oxygen attack, tearing vital oil molecules apart.
Microscopic metal shards from normal engine wear join the sludge building party. Combustion creates soot and unburnt fuel that constantly poison your engine oil.
Frequent short trips trap water inside, brewing that disgusting milky sludge faster. Even worse, coolant leaks chemically attack oil, forming abrasive sludge crystals.
Engine forces shred vital additives, thinning oil protection when it's hot.
Key cleaning additives get overwhelmed, letting sludge particles dangerously stick together. Shock fact: fuel itself can polymerize into plastic-like goo inside hot oil. All these nasty ingredients combine, forming larger, deadlier sludge monster globs.
Sludge silently builds first in engine dead zones with very low flow.
A tiny clogged PCV valve traps harmful fumes, drastically accelerating sludge buildup. Tiny VVT solenoid screens clog easily with sludge, wrecking engine performance. Hot turbos literally bake leftover oil into hard carbon after every shutdown. High heat transforms soft sludge into hard varnish, sticking piston rings. Acidic sludge slowly attacks rubber seals, causing messy, expensive oil leaks. Eventually, sludge clogs the oil pickup, starving your engine of vital lubrication. Sludge flows into tiny passages, blocking critical oil flow like clogged arteries. On cold starts, your filter often bypasses, circulating unfiltered sludge directly. Warning: aggressive cleaning can dislodge big chunks, causing sudden, catastrophic blockages. Final fact: oil analysis labs read your oil's health, revealing sludge precursors. Ignoring this sludge buildup inevitably leads to expensive, catastrophic engine failure later. The good news? Prevention is simple. Quality oil, right filter, timely changes.
Protect your engine, save your wallet. Like, subscribe for more secrets.